Okay friends, before we get started, I just wanted to give you a heads up. You can access the Serpentine belt and all the pulleys from right up along here, but it's actually much easier from down underneath, so let's get under there. Now coming underneath the truck, you want to make sure if you have a skid plate, you take it down and out of the way. That's going to give you a nice clear view of what's going on the front of the engine. This right here is the Serpentine belt tensioner. We're going to relieve tension on this, and then we'll take our belt right off of this pulley, and then we can release that tensioner and get our tool out of here as well. If you wanted to, you could try to pay attention to which way the belt is routed, but we're going to be showing you how to put it on anyway. Let's go ahead and get the belt right out of the way. You'll notice it comes right in between there. Now it's going to be time to remove our tensioner. You're going to have 3 bolts. 1, 2, 3. Let's go ahead and install our tensioner. Line it up with where it needs to go. Start in all 3 of your bolts and then snug them up. Let's torque this to 18 foot-pounds. Now it's going to be time to install our brand new belt. Before you go ahead and put it on though, make sure you inspect it and make sure it's the same size as your original belt. Once you've done that, take one corner like this and we're going to come right in between this area right here. I'm going to bring this down and bring it over the AC compressor. The top aspect of the belt, let's bring it underneath this pulley right here, up and over the alternator, around under this pulley, and then around the power steering, all the way down at the far end. Right down here with my left hand, I'm going to start putting this down and around the crank, and then I'm going to come up nearing the water pump, just like this. Let's grab our Serpentine belt tool. I'm just going to pull down on this. Now we'll pull this up and over the water pump. This looks great. Go ahead and relieve tension, but we're not going to remove our tool yet. You need to double check all of your pulleys, especially the ribbed ones, and make sure the belt's situated perfectly inside of all the ribs. This feels amazing. All right, let's get our tool out of here. All right, now if you had a cover under here, make sure you go ahead and put that back on. The next thing we're going to want to do is carefully start up the truck, let it run for about 10 seconds, turn it back off. We're going to come back out and we're going to double check those pulleys. Assuming they're good, take it for a road test.